What's up, Flomies? My name is Breann and I'm back with another double tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you the double around the world with a split time variation. So that looks just like this. Funky, right? Yes, it feels like it too, but that's okay because we're going to break it down for you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into that split time around the world with your double Flowstar, just like this. So you're going to want to be very comfortable with your around the world, and I'd also practice it with an isolated star, grabbing more star than you typically would grabbing it on the corner points. So grip that star and practice really whipping your around the world and getting that speed and momentum really built up on both hands. Now to get into the split timing, the goal is to have one Flowstar up while the other is down. So you want to basically have opposite timing with your arms and opposite counts with your arms. So we're going to break it down into 2 counts. So typically your around the world is broken down into 4, but since we're working with doubles, we're just going to break it down into 2. So we're going to go 1, 2. That's going to be 1 count for your dominant hand, and then 1, 2 for your non-dominant hand. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the faster that you go, bringing those arms at opposite timings, the more of an illusion that you can make. So we'll get right into that. And then we'll go X Games mode. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So one thing to keep in mind is that those 1, 2 counts are happening at the same time in opposite positions with your arms. That is what we're counting. We're counting those arm switch, not the actual counts of your wrist motions and those around the world. So the 1, 2 is for your arm motions going at split time, opposite timing, 1, 2, 1, 2, where you're getting that 4 count in your around the world. And that is your double around the world with split timing. I hope you guys have so much fun learning this trick, breaking it down and sharing it with your Flow-Me friends. Make sure to comment and let us know what other tutorials you'd like to see. And of course, happy flowing.